Yes, this kind of time of year, I can't help but think about when I'm in Saginaw about, I'd say 1967 was a good year. There used to be a trick shop somewhere in here on South Washington by Michigan Bell and the Saginaw News building, and that one year there they were selling fireworks, and I was just a young lad there, and I got excited. I had my grandma take me down here, and I loaded up on rockets and things. Mostly our favorite at the time, that was 1967, were those buzz bombs. We loved those, and I was able to buy a whole bunch, you know, and I couldn't buy any cherry bombs or silver salutes because I wasn't old enough, but I got the rockets and took them back to our neighborhood, and we had to put on a display for the people. It was a lot of fun, and I guess the trick shop eventually got into trouble for that because they quit selling fireworks, but maybe somebody out here can remember the story on that. But I was only about 10 years old when that was going on, but it made my summer, that was for sure. Alright, this is our favorite under a new name, buzz bombs. That's the ones that spin up and then blow up in the air, making a buzzing sound. This was our favorite as children, lighting off fireworks around the 4th of July.
Well, that is the weirdest thing.
Buzz bomb!
Ready?
Yep, go.
Oh man, come on.
Your favorite, the buzz bomb.
You can run from...
Wow. Yeah, go ahead. Those are two.
When?
Whoa, that was a beautiful one. When?
You can run pretty fast. Ooh, that was pretty.
Go ahead. Got the whole thing. Ready?
Slow down.
That was a grand finale.
Did you count them?